OOTD.
Got a few adventures prepared today, so be on the lookout for that. And I can even see myself in here. Woo! It's hot. It's hot, man. It's hot, hot, hot. You did all right though. You did all right. Just when it dipped though, you got a little scared when it kind of flipped a little bit. Well, not flipped over, but you know, it just kind of flips. Kind of dips to the side. All you gotta do is just throw your weight, either or. But man, shout out to people at Life's a Beach Rentals here. Had some pretty good deals, man. Half hour and a whole hour. We did it for an hour. Really about 30 minutes is all you need though, because you're just going up and down. So I suggest doing the 30-minute ride. Y'all have fun, man. But check them out, Life's a Beach Rentals. I don't know if you can see that out here, but this is their booth. It's like this red and yellow little hut out there. It is cheaper if you pay cash, so make sure you have a couple of Benjis on you. Well, just one. Alright, so we just finished eating and probably gonna go to the beach a little bit more, see what's good. No, I'm kidding, man. It's hot, man. It's time to go back to the room. It's hot out here. It's probably like 110 degrees. Yeah, I thought this car was cool too. So, I had some friends of mine from Atlanta say that what's in Biloxi, Mississippi? There's nothing there. It's a small town. There's nothing to do. Well, I say that life is what you make it. As you saw earlier today, jet skiing. Just caught the movie Independence Day, which is pretty good. The second one, pretty good, pretty good. And remember to live life to the fullest. And all my people in the Philippines, I'll be back. I'll be back. So for now, man, thanks for watching. Wherever you are, and remember, don't let anybody tell you that something is boring or something that you shouldn't do something, because if you want to do it, just do it. and let those people stay at home. And now she wants to have a photo shoot. Trying to break the internet. That's what you're trying to do?
No.
You're trying to get 1,000 likes?
No, but I like my baby.
Alright. Alright, let's do it. Oh. And now, one of my favorite things to do, a beach nap. Okay, not really, but I'll get comfy. Peace.
That is not safe.
Oh, man.
And now, one of my favorite things, a beach nap. And then you went like this.
And I just died. Oh.